Hi again, this is Omar from DOCman, and in the previous video I showed you how to display the built-in demo and kind of documentation output built into the plugin. But in this video I'm going to show you how to display a single category on your website. So right here, if you'll notice at the very bottom of the screen, um, you'll see URL displayed. You might notice it. It says localhost, DOCman list, 275, administrator, index.php, option is equal to com_DOCman, and view is equal to category, and ID is equal to 1. So that is one way to find the ID for your categories in the backend. Then if you click on it, that's another way. So let me go down here. Let me find number 3, which is the one I'm looking for. 5, 14, 8, 13, 7, 12, 4, 3. Okay, so this is number 3 here. Another way, of course, is after you click on the link at the end of the URL at the top, you're going to see the ID number as well displayed. The older DOCman used to have it displayed in the actual table here, but that is no longer the case in DOCman 2.0 and newer. So anyhow, this is ID's number equal to 3. So let me go back to my article here. I'm going to switch out the show demo example, and all I need to do is put that category ID right there. So DOCman list space 3, and hit save, and refresh, and I see nothing. Why is that? Yeah, so that would be an interesting example here. Actually, I forgot to point out that this is a registered category. So that means that anything inside of it will only be displayed to registered users. So that might have been a good thing for me to notice beforehand, correct? So if I go back here, you'll see that nothing's displayed. And then if I log in as a regular, registered user, bam, we have output. And you can see that the admin user that I logged in with is the owner. So this is a new feature as part of version 2.7.2 and newer. And then the new kind of icon is displayed there. Going back to our examples, let me pull up in the plugin configuration. As an example, let's say I don't want the show new label to be displayed. I could set this item to no, hit save, and refresh, and it'll be gone. This is one particular case where I don't seem to have a more detailed description. Either that or I accidentally mislabeled something here. Let me double check. That might actually be the case. Yeah, I accidentally mislabeled the description as the label again. So I will correct that, and yeah, so here we have hide new label. So for example, let me leave it set to yes in the global area. And if I refresh, you can see that it will return. Okay, the new label is displayed again. The real power of DOCman list, in my opinion, is the ability that I've added in to use any of these option keys to customize the global plugin configuration items that you've set on the fly. So maybe by default, in almost all cases, you want the new label displayed, but maybe on one particular page, you don't want it displayed. So you throw in this option key to hide the new label, you hit save, and you refresh, and it's gone on that instance only. Okay, so that's a quick introduction to displaying a single category using DOCman list.